personal property, family heirlooms, your cars, how do they get distributed after death? If one or two of your family members want the same stuff, as you can imagine, it can get pretty messy and expensive. So what can you do to prevent that from happening? If you have an estate plan in place, ideally that estate plan includes some of these family heirlooms designations, or you may have a memorandum of personal property in which you put each item, a little description, and then the beneficiaries. That way, at the time of death, it is very clear who gets what, and there is no risk on people, or at least it's a smaller risk that people are going to fight over things, go to court, and spend thousands of dollars on attorney's fees. But if you don't have an estate plan in place, what can you do now to make it easier on people to distribute your property after your death? When I meet with my clients, I always recommend considering giving some of this stuff away. So if you have things that you know you're not going to use, but it is very likely that family members are going to fight over it, let's say a piece of jewelry, or let's say grandma's china or something like that. You know you're not going to use it, you don't enjoy it, give it away during your lifetime. If you're not ready to part with some of these items, at least make a list. Make a list that has a description again of the object and a beneficiary. Even that may not be a legal document, it's not a will, but at least it's some evidence. At least it shows your family members, your loved ones, hey, this is what mom would have wanted, this is what grandpa wrote that I should get that. Again, it makes it very clear what your intent was. Another thing you can do is talk to your family, make it very clear who you want to get what. Again, people sometimes fight over things because they are grieving differently, or because that item may be of high monetary value and they remember you telling them that they should have it. Sometimes may be true or may not be true, or people may remember things in a different way, or maybe in the meantime you change your mind and now you want someone else to have that item. So as you're working through these, as you're thinking about it, tell people, especially maybe at a family gathering or when you are in a small group with your loved ones, just talk about things. Hey, when I die, I want you to have this. I want you to have my furniture. I want you to have my jewelry. I want my grandkids, or whatever the situation may be. Again, that decreases the risk of people fighting, either fighting in court, spending thousands of dollars on lawyers, or on people not talking to each other over a little thing. All of us know those situations when family members stop talking to each other for years and years because someone else got the necklace that grandma had when they thought they should be the ones getting it. So in conclusion, ideally you have an estate plan in place. Put it in writing, make it legal. Hey, this is what everyone gets, this is how it should be distributed. There is no question over who gets my car, over who gets my guns, my necklace, the coin collection, whatever may be. But if you don't have an estate plan in place, at least put something in writing, or at least try to have some kind of a solution on how your items should be distributed, and talk to your family about it. Hey, this is how I see it. So and so gave me that necklace, I want them to have it back. I received this from your father, you should have this, and things like that. Will your family still argue over things? Maybe, maybe not. But the more you work on it, the more you prepare for it during your lifetime, it'll be easier on your family, and it'll be more likely that they'll continue to work together to administer your estate as opposed to fighting in court. Thank you for watching. Be sure to share this video if you think that someone else may benefit from it. Watch our other educational videos, and please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.